Great Ambazonians, I come from the front today, now by the grace of God. I go straight to the point. My mommy, my papa them, brothers and sisters, I know say, we inside war, inside Ambazonian. Now war where they declare on we, the Ambazonians. I know say some of you do something that will be very, very wrong. When I pray, when I pray for we, don't reduce. I come from the front today and I say, then when I pray for we, when I keep on the pray. And we, some of we will try for make our brother to understand, say, what do they do are not correct. We go caution them, advise them. We not need for support we. I will talk again concerning diasporans. Now, our papa they're out of the country. Well, they're out of the country. We get the IG. We get the egg of sea. My papa they're for diaspora. We the beg now. So we not try to come as one people. We get one focus for this revolution. That divided spirit, we help we for anything. We not try to work as one. With the beg now, who are there for ground. The IG and the egg of sea. We take on them beg now. I go down with the forces for ground. All the forces for ground when I place them there. Because we are not sacrificing our life for fight for our land of birth. For fight for our freedom. Because the fight or the fight, now fight they will declare on we. And Allah will come around to shoot the first gun for we the Ambazonian. Just because we were the top for our right, they use gun for suppressing some who keep silence. My fellow brothers, if you go for Kondengi, you go see plenty of our brothers who do not do nothing just because they talk for inside their country, Ambazonian. For their right, they don't lock them up. My fellow brothers, the moment don't reach for unite ourselves, all the sisters, brother forces, the moment don't come for unite ourselves, for push occupier out of our country. I take God name, I beg una. I take God name, I beg una. All the generals, Mezam, Fako, the moment don't come for unite ourselves, push occupier out of our country. If you want to look at when the Republic will attack any of our bases, we will not stand for defend our country. For why? Because they suppress we. When they come in number, thousands. Why we will not unite ourselves? Work like them too. My fellow brothers, I beg when the moment don't reach, we unite ourselves for work as one. Don't use even forest garden now. Use what as they go prison. Combine them all. You are here say 500 soldiers, 1,000 soldiers enter some area because they don't combine their forces. The moment don't reach for we, my fellow Ambazonians, fellow generals, we combine our forces. Fight back because they don't want to war. They will declare on we and they will shoot the first gun. I just take God name and beg now. Collaboration in matter. If you look at my back, I want to be the commander for ADF. As an Ambazonian, they will need for unite ourselves. Go for the Republic of Cameroon, you get so many forces. But when they attack us, they join themselves for one bundle. Can attack we. We need to join ourselves for one bundle. Fight back for our right. Make us see our brothers for prison. One day they'll get their freedom. Sisi Kodeva prison. Now because they stand up for a country. So many others, they don't die because they stand up for fight, for speak the truth for their land of birth. If we want to look am before we start this war, the first place we go for day now for our funds, for our villages, for make them, for tell them say enough is enough. But today, now some of our funds they betray we. They do go join La Republic, Cameroon. I don't know what they go join them for do. After all these years, my papa there, we march for now the first day when La Republic Cameroon will shoot the first gun on us Ambazonians because they talk for our right. You will go for them. That means you no get place for inside Ambazonia. I jump when I say me all na come for una senses. Enough is enough. The moment don't reach for we for work for one direction, follow one track. They never give you nothing. If they want to give you something, they will not give you. They kill our people. Our funds, they are killing our people. They are killing your people. Una need to stand up. Maybe you not be affected for the war where La Republic on us today. If you don't wake up or sleep, tomorrow it will affect you because it will affect some families. I just take on my beg now. If you go, plenty things don't happen for inside the revolution. Plenty of our brothers don't die. What will be the cause now some of our people just because they want to enrich themselves for inside the revolution. I come up today, one of the commander and some of the commander and our idea. This party first I come up today. No, they say our bad plenty. No, they say our no plenty. This drug, Caillou, Taiwan, now our people, they sell them for inside Ambazonia. And we see that the arrest soldiers them today. Now because of Caillou, Thailand, who the fool, now our people. We begin to take that thing. It will behave normal. Now why they see they walk out the street, harass people, kidnap people, and they call all the generals and commanders say me any man caution the Pekin. Will they out and fight for our land of birth? Will not they out now for torment or intimidate our own people inside Ambazonia? Anybody will say Caillou, Thailand, when they catch you, you'll go in for. I want to beg all our own people them inside Ambazonia. Why defeat La Republic of Cameroon with information for saying they destroy your own country? Why? Why defeat La Republic of Cameroon with information? May they kill your own people. The moment don't come for we for work as one. I want to ask you a question. How many La Republic people don't die inside Ambazonia? Pekin don't die inside Ambazonia, La Republic. Those are the military can kill them. Mami don't die. Burn our houses. Destroy our properties. You know why I down with La Republic to Cameroon? My mommy, my papa, them, my parents, the time don't reach for we. For stand up. For talk one language. No matter the village you will come from. Do one do in a war for discriminate. We need to unite ourselves. Whether we strive, we need to unite ourselves. Push your compare out of our country. Most stop all the infight toward the fight. It's not going to help we. Mommy, papa, they see beg when again. So now continue to pray for we when I begin the way we don't stand up for fight for our land for our land of birth. Now war they will declare on we. I take on name. I beg on now. Any man where there was some place say you want to betray this struggle, I'll move my country for us inside my back. Now come the ancestors of the land they give me. Now why me more this? And no say for inside Ambazonia with the multiple liberation. Now with the Mimbo. Any man wey against the Ambazonian wey think say him join like Republic Cameroon for betray country, betray people, betray land of birth. Na your own this. But any man wey dey fight for this country, na like people declare the first gun, shoot the first gun, bring me word come dey talk for our right. If you dey out for say move fight for our right, na your own this. My mama, my papa dem, una continue dey pray for we. We take God name, we beg una. Any error wey some of you don commit for una forgive we. Thank una very much.